Checking my schedule, checking my schedule. All right, my schedule's clear. All I had was a Lakers game at 8:30. Let's go out into this world, start appreciating these folks. Let's start appreciating the out of these people. Just, I think I'm in love. What a wonderful feeling. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I think I'm in love. This woman that I know, I see her often, we cross paths, but I'm just so amazed. She treats me so well, she cares for me, she loves me, she respects me. Not only that, she appreciates me. How do I know, you ask? Not only does she tell me, she shows me. She shows me she appreciates me. Now, some simple ways that she shows me that she appreciates me and loves me and cares for me on a daily basis. She does small things, you know, it may be something from doing something around the house, or, you know, just pick me up something from the store when I didn't ask for it, you know. Sometimes the surprise factor can, you know, boost something small up into something major. But there's this one thing that she did recently that just blew my mind, and I'm gonna tell you about it. Alright, so boom, I'm gonna take it back to last Wednesday. Alright, so check it. I was at work, she was at work, you know, we're, you know, doing our job. We were texting back and forth, just chatting it up, talking about nothing. No, nothing serious, right? Out of nowhere, she just asked, are you free this Saturday from 7 to 9? You know, so I'm checking my schedule, see what I got. Alright, so boom, Saturday, 8:30, I have a Lakers game. A Lakers game on TV. I forgot who they played, but I believe we lost. Checking my schedule. All right, my schedule's clear. All I had was a Lakers game at 8:30. So I said, yeah, I'm free. Said nothing else about it. She said, boom, it's a date. And that was it. Didn't think anything else of it. Friday comes, we're in the store, just regular out, running errands. She's looking for something. She's looking for something specific, and she says she's looking for something for our date. I'm thinking, you're looking for something, but she won't tell me what it is. She won't tell me what the date is, where we're going, nothing. She just says, be free Saturday from 7 to 9. All right, so now I'm thinking, I'm scratching my head. If this is a date from 7 to 9, first thing that pops into my head, we're going to the movies or something. I guess that says no, we're not going to the movies. Do I need to go find a new outfit? Do I need to jump fresh? Do I need to, you know, step up my wardrobe? Says
no wardrobe needed, you're not gonna be seen.
All right, so I'm thinking now, you know, this is gonna be something, a little private occasion. Okay, still not sure what it is, no clue. The next thing she says, make sure you're hungry. All right, so I'm thinking, all right, private occasion, she ordered a private chef or something, I don't know. I'm just racking my brain. She says,
be free from 7 to 9 and show up hungry. You don't need a new outfit or anything, nobody's gonna see you.
I have no clue what it is. All right, so Saturday comes, I work Saturday, I get off work. I forget all about the date. I come home, I just get into bed. I totally forgot. I thought it was just another regular day. I totally forgot about this date. About 6 o'clock, she comes and says,
hey, be ready, we're leaving at 6:45.
All right, okay, cool. So I get ready, we leave at 6:45. All right, so we get in the car, she puts the address in, and I notice it's to Subway. All right, we're going to Subway. All right, maybe we're picking up something. All right, so when we get to the Subway, it was a Subway attached to a gas station. All right, so when I see that the directions are headed to a Subway, I'm thinking, Subway? You know, maybe this is just to throw me off. Maybe, now I'm thinking maybe we're doing a group thing, or maybe we're getting onto a shuttle and the shuttle is gonna take us somewhere. I don't know, so I just think whatever, let me drive to the Subway. So we go to Subway, we get out, we walk into the Subway, and we place an order. So I get me a sub, she gets a sub, then we walk next door to the gas station. She gets a bottle of wine, so I get a 40. But I still have no clue where we're going. At this point, I'm thinking, hey, we're going on some kind of picnic somewhere. We have our own sandwiches, we have a drink, we're going to a picnic. Then my next guess was we were going to a music festival. I thought we were going to listen to some outside music, a music festival, an outside concert. Knowing it was COVID, maybe somebody came up with some clever way to have a concert, because that's what we enjoy doing. We like going to concerts. But no, it wasn't a concert. So after we left the gas station, she puts in the next directions. I'm not familiar with the directions. The directions are like 2 minutes around the corner. So it's an empty field. We pull up, I see 2 large screens in an open field. I'm like, hey, what's that? I'm sure that's where we're going. At this point, I know that's where we're going, but I still don't know what it is. This was an event where you stay in your car, you park your car. So I'm thinking, all right, well now, I know what it is. It's a drive-in movie theater. We have our sandwiches, we have our drinks, we're gonna watch a movie in the car. And that I was thinking that was so cool. But no, that's not it. When we get there, she shows the ticket to the parking attendant. We go park, and might I add, we're VIP to this event. She purchased VIP, so we were on the 2nd row of this event. So we park our car. She said it would be better if we back in. So I parked the car, we back in. Then she says it would be best if we, open the back of the RAV4 and watch from the back. So we get out. I'm thinking, okay, this is one of those kind of events. At this point, I see on the 2 big screens, "Welcome to the laser show." We went to a laser show. She surprised me to a laser show. It was so amazing. Three, 2, 1.
That is so cool!
No!
That's wow! That's so cool! Look how good is this? Look! Look like rain.
Oh yeah, that's rain.
You don't gotta go work. Let me body work. You can work from home. Oh.
I work from
You can work from home.
I've been to a laser show before, but I've only been to one before. And the only laser show I've been to before was a laser show at Stone Mountain in Stone Mountain, Georgia for 4th of July. They have an amazing 4th of July laser show at Stone Mountain. So that was pretty cool. This laser show, it was different. It was different. The Stone Mountain laser show was projected onto the rock, onto the Stone Mountain. This laser show, not only was it, let me see, how can I put it? Not only was it on the screen, on like these, I guess they were probably like 60 feet movie projector screens, but they also had lasers that shot out into the audience. So this whole time you're watching the lasers on the screen, they're making pictures, they're playing popular music songs, the pop hits. Then at the same time, you have lasers shot above your car. So that was so amazing. I believe me and Shay were the only ones there without kids. We're definitely the only ones over the age of 30 without kids at the laser show. But it was so fun. It was an amazing experience. But the whole setup of how she set this whole date, it was amazing because she just slid it in, "Are you free?" and didn't say anything else about it. This whole time she was seeking things to, just make the date better. Like, she could have just ordered the tickets to the laser show and that would have been it. That would have been cool enough for me. That would have did it. That would have been just as amazing. But adding the factor of adding Subway, just adding the cheap sandwich, we could have just made ham sandwiches at home. But she added the Subway factor, having somebody make a sandwich and, just enjoy. It was a great experience. And then, just add a little alcohol, just making things a little bit better. And the picnic basket, that was another little small added factor to make it seem like a real picnic. That was the item she was looking for in the store when she wouldn't tell me what she was looking for, where we were going. It was the picnic basket. The picnic basket pretty much sealed the deal as an official picnic, sit in the back of your car, eat, drink, watch a laser show kind of thing. So that was an amazing twist on just a regular laser show. I appreciate her for that. I thank her for that. Sometimes I just sit here and think, what did I do? Like after the laser show, after I got home, you know, I caught the rest of the Lakers game. I was just sitting there just thinking, what did I do to deserve this? I don't think I do anything special. You know, I guess she just wanted to show her love and appreciation. We'll talk about love languages in the next few videos. Stay tuned. But yeah, that was just a small thing that she did that really went a long way, because that was last week and I'm still talking about it. I'm still feeling the effects of it. I'm still feeling love. I'm still feeling appreciated. And I think it's time to return the favor. I think it's time to, let's see, what can I do to get back at Shay for giving me such a great surprise, such a great token of appreciation. How can I reciprocate this? Videos on reciprocation coming soon. So the takeaway from this video is, men also like to feel appreciated. I feel like when you hear about gift giving, it's usually from man to woman, but in 2021, let's normalize just because gifts for men. Because men also like treats, and not just sex. Even though that's greatly appreciated, it's human nature to want to feel loved and appreciated. So let's get out there, let's get out into the world, start showing these folks you appreciate them. Let's start appreciating the out of these folks, right? Let's go out into this world, start appreciating these folks. Let's start appreciating the out of these people. Let's start reciprocating it. And that's my message. Bye.